Back again with another one.
Another one.
Welcome to my world.
Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV.
Welcome to my world. It's my world.
Give me a thumbs up just for this intro.
What's up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic. We are back in here with another video, and today I have something extra tasty for y'all. So we got this West Coast type vibe. My drums, when I first started putting it together, were more boom bapish, and then as I started putting the pattern together, it started turning into a West Coast type of vibe. Like if 50 Cent got on this track, it would probably be considered like an East Coast type West vibe, like when Dre did that in the club for 50 Cent. So if he got on it, it made it kind of East Coastish, you know what I'm saying? So I guess it depends on who we put on this track. So of course I put a chorus on this track and left some open slots for verses, but I'm gonna play this track. I'm gonna break down the track and show you guys what instruments I used. Shout out to Initial Audio with the Heat Up 3, because that's pretty much all I used for this particular track. And I used this new Boom Bap Bang VST for my drums. That's with Ignite VST. So it's a dope plugin. So let's play the track, and then we're gonna come back and get into how we cooked it up. All right, so let's play it.
Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we got us a straight smash right here, right? The beginnings of a straight smash. We just need the right artist on this track. So let's start breaking this track down. First of all, I think we need to call Tiger. Let's call Snoop. Let's get Exhibit on the line. Who else could we throw on this track? Man, Game. It's quite a few of them I could name that we could slide on this. We could even throw 50 on a verse in here, with them same artists. So let's get into the track. First, this is my first time using this Boom Bap Bang VST1. This Ignite VST. So it's like, as you can see, it's plenty of drums in here. Right? So I don't want to mess up the drums. But, of course, nice and dirty. Like, these some nice and dirty drums are in this VST here. And also inside of here, as you can see, I was able to separate my drums. If you look in here, you can see where you're able to do it has multi outs, right? So it will break down these instruments for you so that you can put them on separate channels. That's dope. I really like that. But this has a plethora of drums in it, like a lot of drums ready to go. And all I gotta do is, if I click through here, if I click through these banks, it'll automatically just, my drum pattern will stay the same, and I can just scroll through different drums and kind of hear what drums I want to use for the pattern. Like it doesn't mess up the flow of the drums. Like it's nice. I'm digging that right there. So boom bap bang VST. That's what I use for these drums. And I'm gonna say something about Heat Up 3, y'all. Y'all already kind of know, like Heat Up 3 is a straight beast. And the more expansions that I get for this thing, the more I'm falling in love with using Heat Up 3. Like this is low key like a omnisphere for me. I know I'm not crazy, but seriously, this is sort of like an omnisphere for me. Like Heat Up 3 is nice. It's like that. So let me just bring this right here. Let me snap this, put this on bars and snap this really quickly so you guys can just hear. I'm sure a lot of you guys are already familiar with, you know, with Heat Up 3. Let me just play the instruments I use from here. I used, let's see what this was. Let's go to the browser. My keys, I used Bandit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bandit. So let's play this, let's solo this. Nice and quality. All I did was put a reverb on that. Didn't do too much more to it than that. Then the next instrument I used was this Swim. The bass. This is where I got my bass from. Let's go down here to the Swim. This is where my bass came from. That nice West Coast, you know, that nice West Coast type vibe. That automatically gave it that vibe. Like if I would have used a different bass line, it would give it a different tone of a bass line other than that one. Bass, I keep saying bass line, a different tone of a bass, then it would change the whole vibe up. But I needed that. I needed that type of bass to give it that West Coast vibe. So let's go pull up the Rocket. Like I said, everything came out of Heat Up 3. Everything came out of here. Guitar, the Rocket, out of the guitar, my guitar Rocket. Let's play that. And then the last instrument I used out of here was Heat Up 3. It's called Sunday. Let's see, what expansion pack did I use? I used the Grind expansion pack for this guitar, the guitar called Sunday. And of course, that will be here. Let's go to this last one. Play it. This is Sunday right here. So I used a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. A total of 4 instances of Heat Up 3 to make this track. You know, that's all my instruments came out of there. And then I pulled up ADSR sample and I pulled some percussions out of here for this hi-hat here. And I used the uplifter effects. So I used this. I added some more percussion down here. A loop. But that pretty much made up the track. And of course I dropped my vocals on here. Show you a quick trick I like to do if you're making your track and you forget to find, if you forget what key is in, and if you're using Neptune, how to quickly put your vocals in pocket with your beat and with your chords, right? So let's say I come right here to Bandit. Let's go right to Bandit. So I go in here and I just grab just some of the notes in here, right? And you'll see I'm in the F key of F, right? There and here. Looks like pretty much everything is in the key of F. So that tells me, and this one is in the key of G. So between F, mostly F though, right? So when I come over here and do my, I put my insert effects. Of course, I have Neptune on my vocals. You see, I put it directly in the key of F, and I'm in harmonic minor. My correction speed is turned all the way up. My pitch signal is up, and I don't record it on wide vibrato. I record it just plain like that, just like this. And then after I'm done, I put it on wide vibrato, just to kind of smooth out the transition between between my vocals. So that puts me directly in pocket, and I did that for every last one of them. And the only thing I did was add Nectar 3, and to even out my my vocals, put the DS on it, just make them sound a little more polished, and let you guys hear the vocals by themselves. So check them out.
Yep, yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up.
And I didn't do too much more to the vocals other than that, and add reverb on them. Putting them through Nectar, and I have them panned, of course. 4 tracks, both sides I kind of panned about 75% over there. This 150, this 150, and that was pretty much the track. But as you can see, it did not take a lot of elements to create this track. Like, not that many instruments were used for this beat, and it's a pretty simple beat, So let's play it again.
Yep, yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up.
So yes, that is a West Coast party club type vibe right there. Like, this is going down right here. This one is really going down. I'm really feeling this vibe right here. Yeah, so I mean, if y'all dig this one, make sure you hit me with the thumbs up. This that West Coast vibe. I'm digging it. Hope you guys is digging it. If you got any questions, drop them comments down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button so that YouTube knows that they can recommend this video to other people. If you dig it, if you like what I showed in this video, share it. I don't mind you guys sharing the video. Thumbs it up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribed if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, right? It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. Always hustle, never stop growing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Peace.
Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one. Yeah, I'ma catch a body up. Yeah, I'ma catch a body on this one.